good, gang? I don't know if y'all can see my breath, but it's cool out here. My dog caught a flat, so I'm about to go out there, change the tire on the Challenger 245/45/20. Y'all come roll with your boy, you hear me? Alright, we out here. Why it's so hard for y'all to go on green? Like, that's so crazy. I'm gonna turn it into a metaphor for y'all. Y'all gotta look at green lights. You gotta look at green lights like opportunities. A lot of people don't go on green, and that's when you're missing your opportunities. So you're trying to figure out why y'all was getting left out, why y'all was behind. You're not attentive enough to go on green. So look at green as opportunity.
RDMS.
Alright, I got 5% left on my GoPro. Let me hurry up and make it. I was supposed to charge it last night but fell asleep, so let's see if I can hurry up and finish this out. Everything mounted balance. Catch a flat, Eazy Auto got your back. I gotta do another flat repair after this. The oil change. So far. Alright, just like that. Good to go.